Hello everyone! Today I'd like to introduce our latest update for LazyPublisher. Specifically, it's the Manage area for your bookshelf. You can find this on the sidebar over here on the left. In this Manage area, all your ASINs and book types that have ever had a sale will be displayed. However, we are going to change this in the very near future, and specifically, all ASINs will then be displayed across all of the marketplaces, so that you will be able to filter for books that haven't had any sales, and this will provide you with a much clearer overview. In this Manage section, you'll find a variety of columns that you can filter however you like. As you can see, we have here Marketplace, ASIN, Book Type, Title, Author, First Sale, and Last Sale. Then we can proceed to this area. We have all sorts of possible sale options available. We have your net profit available. You can filter by the returns. We've also included all the advertising costs and the ad parameters. This was a very important update for us, as we are already familiar with this from the merchant demand sector, and it's always been very useful. What else you can do is you can have your thumbnails displayed up here. That of course changes the view a bit, but it can also make it easier for you to find things. It is also once again possible to click on a thumbnail and access this lifetime overview. The individual columns also offer a wide variety of filter options, as you can clearly see here with the example of book types. From here, you can then choose to only have all paperbacks displayed to you. After that, you can simply delete the filter and then you'll be able to see everything again. You can also naturally choose to sort by ascending or descending order. And here there are various options, which I will explain to you in more detail. If we go to the right side, you can toggle the filter options on and off. But you can also, for example, if you've applied certain filters, choose to pin them to the left or to the right. For example, if you want the ASINs to always be pinned to the left-hand side, then you simply click on Unpin. These items are then essentially fixed here on the left side, and when you then swipe your screen across, they will remain firmly in place on the left side. You can of course simply switch this off again by clicking right here, or by clicking Show All or Unpin All here once more. You can also switch off individual columns entirely according to your preference. Then you'll have the opportunity to change the size of the display just a little bit. Then we'll go ahead and turn off the thumbnails, and then you'll clearly see it. And you have the opportunity here on the very right to switch to full screen mode so that you can get a better overview. So that was just a quick overview of the current update. We will be further developing this over the next few days and weeks, and also integrate several additional features. For example, a convenient download option for an Excel spreadsheet, or even a dedicated column where you can input your very own text. And as we discussed at the beginning, all ASINs will be included here, those that haven't had a sale yet, so that you can truly view and filter your complete library, and thus perhaps more easily check which books haven't had a sale where, and then you can act more effectively. So, I'd be glad if you leave some feedback on this update in the comments. Also feel free to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you at the next update. Bye.